Hey everyone, welcome to our guide on how to block calls but not messages on iPhone. So, let's get started. Open your iPhone and go to the Settings app. Tap on Focus option. In the top right corner, tap the plus icon to create a new focus mode. Name your focus mode something that reflects its purpose, like no call, and tap on Next at bottom. Under People, choose the contacts whose calls you want to silence. You can add a specific person by clicking the Add Person button and select the person. Then tap the Allow button. Now you can add those apps which want to allow messages and notifications. Make sure the Messages app is selected to allow messages and tap the Allow button. Tap Done to save your focus mode. Now you'll receive no call screen. Toggle it on to finalize the process. Note, now your new focus mode active, calls from your selected contacts will be silenced, but you'll still receive their messages. And there you have it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.